So finally, this is Mohammed. This 1 year, right?
1 year.
Yeah, and you look great, huh?
Yeah.
What a transformation, and I think the audience will appreciate that you take your time to go in one 8 months at a time. So then the audience will see what's the progression is. I think you look so great. You know, it is what a great transformation, because hair really changed your look, make you look younger, or you know, more handsome. And your hair is high right now. It look like Elvis, you know. But I'm gonna show the audience what he used to look like before, and that was that, you know. And so just to get an idea, you know, how thin he was, and we work our way toward the back. And so, but again, with hair transplant, it's not just about density. There's art behind surgery, and the artistry is the utmost important, because you see, look at that, his hair now. It looks so great, and not only that, he looks so much younger and more handsome as well. And then, you know, you can appreciate the artistry, the zigzag and all stuff, but when we comb the hair through, it's really good. It's very natural. Okay, and then look at that. And you know, you can wear your hair higher and or shorter, however you want it. But so Mohammed, what do you share in the last video? You know, how we talk about the, you know, how when you lose the hair, how hair surgery day and the recovery. Anything different, you know, going on with your life? Yeah.
So I met a friend, actually, like an old friend, and then I hadn't seen him for a while, and then he thought that I look different, and then he lost hair much later than me. So he was not as bad as me, but his hairline had gone back. And I was telling him that don't worry, I know a doctor that can fix that for you.
Oh yeah. What?
And then the other thing that I realized that when I look at my old photos, quite a lot actually, and I see that, oh, I look so different now, that like back then it just like completely, this whole thing was gone.
Yeah.
Because I can see I can basically see the skull of my.
But when you lose hair, you look older, right?
Yeah,
and you feel older, right?
Yeah.
And then every time you wake up in the morning, you see yourself, you know, like you know, because losing hair just make you look different.
Yeah.
But now, what do you think? You look younger.
Yeah.
You feel younger.
And it look much better in the photos. You know, you take a picture with family. You just look much better in the photo compared.
And like before, I have a lot of patients say, you know, when I lose my hair, I try to avoid taking picture.
Oh.
But now, you know, when you have hair, you know, and then you get your handsome look back and your youth back as well. You appreciate the artistry of the hairline, and you appreciate the look back, right? And you want to do more photo, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And then that's that. And the hairline looks so natural. There's absolutely no one can tell you have surgery, right?
Yeah. So many people think this was my hair, or back then I used to keep it very, very short. I said, no, I did not keep it short back then. I just had no hair back then.
So you're forced to keep it short because you had no hair. Yeah.
But they said, oh yeah, now it's much longer. I said, no, back then there was no hair, now there is hair. Yeah, but many people are like, they can realize that it actually, these are like a result of a surgery. It's not my actual hair.
Yeah, and the great thing is your real hair.
Yeah,
you can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye it, you can do anything with it. And if you leave it long, it'll grow down to the floor, you know. And so enjoy your hair, and I hope the audience and the viewer appreciate the hard work that Mohammed here come in every month to show the progress, and he really believed in my work, and he actually saw Chris in the month-to-month progress, so he wanted to return the favor and to show the audience that it can be done right. And then look at where he is now, and I'm so happy for him, because you know one of my greatest joy work as a hair surgeon is to see my work of art come to life on my patient, and to make a change, positive change in their life, not just physically but emotionally as well. And by doing that, you know, and it affect the other part of their life, in their job and their romance and those stuff, but you know, you already married, you're happy with it, you know. But maybe you have a new problem, you know. Maybe a lot of young girls go after you. Anyway, that's gonna be a problem you can take care of. Anyway, thank you, Mohammed, to do a 1 year, and then he gonna, since he lived near here, so we're gonna try to do like maybe every year, so up to 5 years, 6 years, because the audience and the viewer want to see how to progress. What if 1 year later, 2 years later, 3 years later, and then so hopefully you will do us a favor and come back and do that. Okay.
Yeah, many people say, oh yeah, you do hair transplant, but they all will fall. I said, no, they will not fall. Why they will fall?
Yeah, well, depending who doing the surgery.
Oh.
Yeah, it's important, okay? And then for maintenance too. And again, you don't have to have take medicine after surgery. I don't require patients to take medicine after surgery. I recommend it. Why? Because once I give you hair, medicine will help maintain your hair to last longer. So if you can, please take medicine, Propecia and Rogaine and those stuff. That only help prevent you from coming back to see me sooner. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.